Today I'm going to show you how to weld using the arc welder. When you're setting up the arc welder, the first thing that you're going to want to do is plug the welder in. We're going to leave the welder and the circuit switch off for now so we can finish our setup. Next we set our polarity. Remember, for E6010 we need to have it at DC-EP. For E6011 we can use DC-EP or AC. Remember, our alternating current does allow 30 to 170 amps, which is where we'll normally be. Our welders do also allow for 150 to 235 amps, which is higher than we're going to set our welders for most applications. E6013 can use AC, DC-EP, or DCEN, and E7018 uses DCEP. Since we're using an E7018 electrode today, we're going to set it on DCEP. Next, we're going to set our amperage range. Remember that the gray is DC and the white is AC. Remember that we're using an E7018 electrode today, so we're going to set our DC. Our next step is to clamp our work to the table that we're going to be working on. We get a better ground if we actually clamp to our work. Our next step involves putting our electrode into our electrode holder. Remember that before we start, we want to make sure that we have a comfortable stance and are comfortable in our booth so we can easily strike an arc and run a bead. From this point on, we want to make sure that we have our helmet on. Remember, our helmet for arc welding should be adjusted to fit our head snugly. Our shade should adjust up and down. And for arc welding, we should be set at a number 10 lens.